For audit, preparation of checklists are most important for verification and working paper management. How can we prepare a proper-looking checklist in Excel? To use checklists, we need to use checkbox. Checkbox in Excel are available in Developer ribbon. By default, Developer ribbon is not enabled. To enable the same, we need to go to Excel File, Options, and in Customize ribbon, Developer tab has to be enabled. Once enabled, in Developer ribbon, go to Form Control and select Insert button. In Insert button you can see Form Control and ActiveX Control. In Form Control select Checkbox and draw the same in the cell where you want to place the same. If you select the checkbox, hold Ctrl key and left-click mouse. Once selected, right-click mouse to get the Format Control option. Click Format Control to format the checkbox. In the dialog box, you can see the Control tab, where you will see the cell link. In cell link, type the cell reference to capture the result of the checkbox. You can explore various other options in the Format Control to format the checkbox as you like. To rename the checkbox, carefully select the text area while the checkbox is selected. Once text is selected, you can delete the old text and type the text you want. In this example, I am removing the entire text. The checkbox, when selected, results in a true value on the linked cell, and if not selected, results in false value. To copy the checkbox to subsequent rows, select the cell in which you have created the checkbox and drag the fill handle down to fill the bottom rows. Once checkbox are filled to all rows, you need to enter the cell link again to change the same to appropriate cell. By default, when you copy, the cell reference does not change as we do while copying formulas. To create a more pleasing look while using checkboxes, let us use conditional formatting. Select all the cells that need to be conditionally formatted. Now in the Home tab, select Conditional Formatting and create a new rule. In New Rule, select Use a Formula. Now select the first linked cell of the checkbox. Change the absolute reference to refer only to fixed column and change row by deleting the dollar symbol before the row number. Then select the Format button and select the format which you like. Now you can see the cell format changes as you select the checkbox and reverts back to original format if you unselect.
Need to know solution in audit using Excel.
Yes.
Drop your queries in comments section.